Wow, look over there. I have never seen colors like that before.
It looks beautiful. We should check it out.
Wow, look over there. I've never seen anything like it. Do lions sleep a lot?
Yes, lions sleep many hours. Do lions sleep a lot?
Yes, lions sleep many hours. Do lions live with family?
Yes, we live in prides. Wow! Can lions jump high?
Yes, my legs are very strong. Are your claws sharp?
Yes, my claws are very sharp.
Do lions hunt quietly?
Yes. We move very quietly. Do lions like resting?
Yes, rest keeps me strong.
Are your teeth strong?
Yes. My teeth are very strong.
Do lions work together?
Yes. Teamwork makes us strong.
Can lions hear well?
Yes. My ears hear distant sounds.
How do lions drink water?
I drink water with my tongue. Why are your paws so big?
My big paws help me walk quietly.
I learned many lion facts. Subscribe for more animal adventures.